I always received a lot of questions asking on how to express in Chinese. You probably want to get that deeper connection, whatever you will, engage with someone. On this video, I am going to share with you the top 10 interesting Chinese trendy expression so that you can use to connect better and create more engaging conversation. This is where you can build a more meaningful relationships. It can personal and professional. Let's go. Okay, let's start with the first one. When we are surprised, we usually say 我的天哪 means oh my gosh or oh my god. For example, 我的天哪，这房子真美。Oh my god, the house is so beautiful. And next, when someone tells you something you don't believe, that you can say 得了吧 means oh come on. For example, 我明天跟杰森斯坦森结婚。I will marry Jason Statham tomorrow. Then you can say 得了吧 oh come on. Wake up. And these words, when you say something to someone over and over again, but they still don't understand you, or people doubt you, when you are disappointed, you can say 算了 forget it. And fourth, 你在干嘛 What are you doing? And next, 你怎么了 What happened? In these words, when you see something, maybe it scared you, and you can say 什么鬼 What the hell? In these words, when your friend or someone tell you, oh, I have something I want to show you. This thing is really beautiful, amazing, and then you can say 让我看看 means show me. For example, guess what? I bought a really amazing car, and then you can say, oh, 让我看看 means show me. And next, 牛 or 厉害, or you also can say 666. That means awesome. And this phrases is really interesting. 扎心了老铁 That means my heart is broken. And the last one is the most popular one, which called 比心 比心 For example, when your friend help you or send you a gift that you really like, that you can say or you can do this for them. 比心 比心 Okay, so what have you learned? If our video has given you value, don't forget give us a thumbs up and let us know your comment below about this video. And if you have any suggestive topics for our upcoming videos, we will create it for you. And if you know anyone can benefit from this video, please share to them. We would want to help more learners on their Chinese learning journey. And if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, hit the subscriber bell button below, because we are going to upload videos every week, so that can help you on your Chinese learning goal. 我们下个视频见 See you on our next videos. Bye bye.